definitely has changed. So few things which I have learned, especially like throughout my research career, is perseverance is the first thing you need in research. Neither it's like intelligence, neither it's your hard work. The first and foremost thing you need is perseverance. You will get rejected so many times that you will never feel sad about it. So right now, like there's the time like I have received 3 rejection about something in single day. I always feel a little bit bad, but 2 hours I'm like, let's cook something, like let's eat something, let's party. It's okay. And next day I'm working with this even better face. So you learn how to deal with rejection in life. So this is how what research taught me. And as you go up in the career, like as you become assistant prop, or if you join an industry as a researcher, you will get more and more rejection as you go up. You will try more and more different things. You will risk yourself more and more, and you will get more and more rejection. So never get afraid of rejection. Second thing is always there is some. So earlier I used to speak a lot and listen less. Now when I go to talk and I attend, I always see what this person has for me to offer. So there is always, if anybody is giving something, or there's always something you can learn from other person. This is a life perspective which has changed for me. Now I always, earlier I used to say, okay, what I will do, like I only want to do things which I like. Now I also listen to other what they are doing and why they are doing and why it's making sense. So putting yourself in the other foot and then realizing what things are happening. So this is the second thing which is there. Third thing is you should never chase like papers or something like CGP or something. The thing I replied is, how can I impact people with my work? How can I make somebody life better? One impact can be you can make life better of somebody. This is also in a product. Like if you can build a very cool product that people can use, then it will be happier for them, and it will be useful for them. And similarly, if you can write some good thing which people can use and realize, that is a good thing. Fourth thing I realize is good work takes time. So patient. This is not perseverance, this is patient. You need time for good work. So don't get disappointed. You sometimes I also feel like, okay, why is this not happening? Why it's taking so much time? Oh man, I'm frustrated. When it will end? But have patient. Good things always take time. Okay, this is perspective. Third thing is I'm bored. Fifth thing, I think fifth, I don't remember the number. You need to be I'm more confident now compared to earlier and more motivated. So with time, you become more confident, more motivated. And you also start. So earlier, like I do things which other tells. Now I do things which I like. So this perspective also changed when I came to Utah. And fourth thing is like since now I also realize one more thing which is very important. As you move later in your life, it's not just about you. You should always give back from where you have taken things. So this can be your alma mater, or this can be your places you have worked with, or this can be a person you have worked with, or who have supported you, and this can be your family. The person who has raised you for like giving everything like sweat blood to you, and like raising you in difficult times and everything. This is also a time to give back to society. This society include your family. uh, so always don't just say, okay, always don't be mean like, this will not benefit me, so I won't do it. Get rid of that feeling. You should all, I'm not saying like this is like same thing, like 80% time they do things which selfish reason, like this will have me, but 20% time you should help others also. This is other thing. And third is your family. After coming here, I realized is like family is the most important thing. Family, friends, your mentors, they are the most important people. Because you will need support later in your life. You cannot fight the world alone. You need some support, you need some help. So so whenever you get a time, like right now I know many of the undergrads are locked down in your family. So this I said whenever taking the mock interviews also, help your sister, mother, like cook for some time. uh, just go to your mother and say like, I want to learn cooking. This will help you in future when you really go for a job in Bangalore or some other places. Learn cooking. So one thing is you learn a new skill. Secondly, you help your mother. Your mother will be proud. He will be more proud of your academic achievement. Leave that apart. You will more proud of your. Don't watch one Netflix movie or any movie, or play less a little bit. And I'm not saying do all the household work. I'm saying just go there, learn cooking. Tell her like, I want to learn this thing. She will be more than happy, and she will teach you very well. So do that thing, help your father with something, clean some vehicle or do something like this. Go for a walk in the morning, do something like, just don't say, okay, I've locked down, like, okay, like now I will sleep, eat, and like, don't do that. Like, do something good for others. Help your younger brother or sister, teach them in your study. Somebody would have teach you at some point of life, so that you have come here. You should also teach them. Help your elder sister in their work or something. There is always plenty of things you can do at home. Help them. Like, my suggestion is, and anyway, like, I don't know, like, from now onwards, the time you will spend with your family will start decrease exponentially. So earlier, like when it was a IITK, my family could come to me, my sister, uh, my sister, mother, father, but can come to me. I can go on every 6 months or something. Then I went to MSR. I was in Bangalore. I go by flight. It was expensive. So I go in like, then also I go in 6 months or 1 year. And also you will have more work. So you cannot go every time as you wish. Like in institute, you can still go every time you wish. You can always have a timeline, and they give you so many holidays also. But once you join job, you cannot go anytime you wish to your home. So you have to take permission from your boss and then go out. And now I am in US. So I cannot go before 1 year. Like, it's because of the work, because of the flight ticket, because of some other new reasons also are coming up now, pandemic and other things. So the time you will spend with your family will start diminishing exponentially from now onwards. So I recommend all, especially the undergrads, you have given this golden opportunity where nobody is saying, do this homework, do this assignment, you are free, you are not going internship, you are locked down at your home, so you cannot go anywhere for vacation also. Learn some new skills, and I'm 100% sure that skill will later help you in your life. And some of these, if I haven't done this, I would not have survived here. So like cooking or maintaining, cleaning and all those things which I learned, you will think like what he is talking about, like apart from academic, but these things are equally important, because if you do these things well, you will eat well, your mind will work well, your physical thing will work well, you will feel more happy, and your output will be much good. So learn these things while you are uh, given this opportunity. Especially this is a golden opportunity to do that, because you are locked down, you cannot go on vacation, you cannot go out and roam. So please do that. I request to all undergrads.